In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find where Lidl gift cards are accepted. Let's get started. First, look at the information printed on a Lidl gift card or its packaging. Many Lidl gift cards include details about where they can be redeemed, along with any important terms and conditions. Next, visit the official Lidl website for your country. Navigate to the gift card section where you can find information about how and where Lidl gift cards can be used. Since gift card policies vary by country, be sure to check the website for the reason where your card was issued. If you're still unsure, contact Lidl customer service. Provide your gift card details and they can confirm whether the card is valid at specific Lidl stores or whether it can also be used online if transaction redemption is available in your country. You can also ask a cashier at any participating Lidl store. They can tell you whether your gift card is accepted at the location and answer any questions about using it. Keep in mind that most gift cards are only valid in the country where they were purchased and may not be accepted in Lidl stores located in other countries. Online acceptance also depends on the policies in your region. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.